Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you all how I installed these silk press clip-ins from CURLSQUEEN. You all, I was super excited to try out these clip-ins because I have tried their clip-ins before and I'm always super amazed at how good quality they are and how thick and full their clip-ins are. With their clip-ins, you only need one bundle to do your whole entire head. And with other brands, such as the one that I'm showing you all right here, their one bundle is much thinner and less fuller compared to CURLSQUEEN. And with other brands, sometimes you do have to purchase 2 to 3 bundles just to do a full head. And as always, they did go ahead and send me extra clips and thread in case I needed to reinforce any clip-ins and some hair accessories. I always like to go through and separate the clip-ins, and you guys, as I was separating them, I noticed that I did not get any shedding, and that is a huge shocker when working with silk press clip-ins. But yes, no shedding, which I love. So I am starting off with blown out hair. I just feel like blown out hair sometimes is just easier to work with when you're protective styling. And I am going for a middle part with this hairstyle, so I am sectioning out a leave out. For this install, I'm actually going to be doing flat twists, and I wanted to do this because I wanted to show you all that you don't necessarily have to know how to braid to be able to get some clip-ins in the form of a protective style. But yes, I'm doing flat twists, and I actually think I might like it better than cornrows because it is not as tight.
But don't worry, I'm not trying to be your wife. Slide into your mind so silky. Up under the down we hide. Clean it up just to make it filthy. Under the sheets on
This time I am going to go ahead and do my edges before installing the clip-ins.
Human beings are magical creatures. We can see what doesn't exist and choose to rise above what is. Unlike any other, humans can feel without having to have actually felt. We can share each other's pain or joy.
I am going to start installing the clip-ins at the nape of my head,
rather than to build up or support.
lately I've been feeling something gotta change, you know. Tempted to get even. Someone to blame, but I don't gotta go that low. Keeping it in control. Got me on my weakest, don't know.
I am going to make sure that I have a decent amount of space in between each weft as I clip them in.
My life, see it's so clear with my own two eyes. My eyes, I'm not broken, I'm still going up. I'll show you I'm not broken, I'm still going. Oh, didn't you know I'll be my own redemption? Yeah, no manipulation. Ooh, I
Okay, you guys, I was already feeling myself a little too much with these new extensions, and I hadn't even blended the leave out yet. And I'm just showing you all that I had one clip in that I didn't use, but let's go ahead and get into blending this leave out. Now, I do want you all to know that when I blow dried my hair, I did go ahead and use 2 heat protectants like I always do. I am going to be flat ironing my hair on a very low temperature, but I'm going to add more heat protectant, and I'm only going to do 1 pass.
I used to take myself out on dates, open my own doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get the steak, cause I got it like that. Always had my own bag, never needed no man to rely.
The steam that you all see from the flat iron is definitely not me burning my hair. It is just the steam from the products that I am putting on my hair.
But I was my own soulmate. It's like I forgot I was fine, let you treat me any kind of way. Now I'm free, you gotta celebrate. You couldn't see everything and stay. That I wasn't afraid to say, yeah. If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. Now I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better.
So now I'm just sectioning off my leave out and a little extra hair on top because we are about to do some wand curls.
I gave you all that you asked of me. You like the view from behind, but you won't make an ass of me. That's why I'm saying goodbye. Hopping out my feelings, get to the money. Gotta keep it 100. Leaving you ain't really took nothing from me. So don't come looking for me. I'm not to have it. You forgot, but I haven't. You was just a no habit. So I'ma disappear like magic. I'm not to have it. You forgot, but I haven't. Now you wish that you had it. But all I gotta say back is, if I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. No, I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I was yours.
So for the front of my hair, I decided that I wanted to spice things up a little bit and do 2 braids in the front. But these braids are going to look kind of like distressed braids. You will see, just keep watching.
Hey, yo, chill, it's just a draft. Yeah. She a little bad, hit her with the bag, yeah. Put it on the tab, don't know how to act, yeah. How you like that? How you like that? She a little bad, it's a little, yeah. Dang, girl, you got me head over heels with it. Hey, danger, you out here dressing to kill with it. Way you breaking them necks, I don't see how they can deal with it. Yeah, 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 yeah. Look, burning up like August. Now I don't see no rain. Boy, 'cause she gorgeous. Told her that it ain't no thing. Look at you and it's obvious. Gives me every time, yeah. See it in my eye, yeah. Guns on sight, and she know that. She a little bad, hit her with the bag, yeah. Put it on the tab, don't know how to act, yeah. How you like that?
Okay, you guys, so this is almost the final look. Towards the end of this video, I am going to go in and split my widow's peak because I wasn't liking the swoop. But you guys, I must say that I have fell in love with these clip-ins just like I did the other ones, and I really like the little 2 braids that I added in the front. This is a style that you can use if you don't want to add too much heat to your own hair. If you do a leave out like I did, you can do the 2 braids and no one would ever tell that you didn't add a lot of heat to your hair. And this is just me splitting that widow's peak a little bit so that I am satisfied with the swoops in the front. And yes, I really hope you all enjoyed the video and find it helpful. And I will see you all in my next video. See ya!